What is Srila Prabhupada, what did he say? And what was Srila Prabhupada's commentary to the Pranaya Gita, verse number 32, second verse of the Pranaya Gita? How did Srila Prabhupada see the gopis? How did he understand their love? How did he feel about the whole situation? Because we know the Aishwarya side of Prabhupada. He had $5 when he arrived in America. He came across the ocean and all these things. He opened 5 million temples, and that's all grandeur and great and wonderful. But did he also, ask the lady to say, oh, where's Yamuna? What's happened? She's sick. Oh, let's go see her. And go to, oh, Yamuna, what's wrong? Oh, you should eat this and eat that. So there's the loving side, the sweet side of Srila Prabhupada, where he so personally cared for the ladies and gents and his Sangha. But that only comes out in the private memoirs of Mukunda Swami and that Gurudas and Yamuna and Malati. I don't know if she's written anything yet, and Vishaka, and all these different devotees. They know the Madhurya side, when the rest of the world knows the Shantaras side, the Shantaras. But the sweetness is that side. So what does he say? So in 1967, Srila Prabhupada was writing these commentaries. And he published in 1969. Because he knew I'll leave this world, but my followers should know how I feel about the Braja Gopis. They should know my personal feelings and viewpoints of the Braja Gopis' love, because I have come from Braj to bring the world to Vrindavan. I believe, and I tell people on my Facebook, it says home, Vrindavan. You go to someone's Facebook and it says, they're living in Moscow, there's 10 feet of snow outside, and they say my home is Radhakund. So that's good. I like it. I mean, that's a proper understanding. Body has to go anywhere due to prarabdha karma, but the heart should always stay where it wants to stay. Husband travels around the world away from his wife to make money, but his wife never moves an inch from his heart. He sees everything in the world and he sees so many countries and people, but he never stops seeing his wife in his heart. So devotees like that. My home is Vrindavan, my beloved is Radharaman, and wherever I go, I identify myself there. This is called Abhiman, molding the mentality to a new reality. Molding the mentality to a new reality which is transcendental. I am not Russian. I am a Kinkri of Radharani. So Maya gave us this identity, but Krishna wants to make us Krishna Das. Jivera Sarupaya Krishnera Nitya Das.